how to cancel an order on Mercari. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can cancel an order on Mercari. So to do that, the first thing to do is to log in into your Mercari account just like I have done here. Then move to the top left corner where you can see three horizontal lines. And amongst the options displayed, you can see my listings, seller's dashboard, my purchases. So just go ahead and click on that. So after clicking on my purchases, you'll be redirected to your purchases page or your orders page, so to say. And so once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to locate the order that you would like to cancel. So on this my purchases page, you can see in progress completed. So yeah, you'll see all of your purchases here. So the next step is to select the order that you would like to cancel. So after selecting the order, you'll be taken to the order status page. All right, and then amongst the options displayed on the page, you'll see the option request cancellation. So click on it. After clicking on it, you will be asked to choose a reason for the cancellation request. So ensure you choose the reason and all of that. And if the seller agrees and the order has not been shipped, Mercari will refund your original payment method, and you would get your money back. But if the seller denies the requests, they will proceed with the shipping as planned. And that is it. All right. But if the seller does not respond within 24 hours, Mercari would refund your payment immediately. So these are the terms and conditions that apply to canceling an order on Mercari. And then if perhaps you encounter issues in sorting this out, you can just reach out to the customer support so that they can be given an adequate information of what to do. So this is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.